We're going to start a GoFundMe to get Matt a doctor's appointment for his coughing. I think he has mesothelioma. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood. Hello, I'm Ryan KRUESI, and on today's episode we're getting back to some monkey business. That's right, I'm doing monkey shit again. I haven't been working on the monkey for a while, I know, because I got it to where I wanted it to be so I could ride it, and I've been riding it. I don't want to tear it down and finish it because it's way too much fun. This is my favorite motorcycle, hands down. Hands down, best thing I've ever rode in my life. Most fun I've ever had on a motorcycle in my life. I'll take this over any one of my Harleys any day, over anything. The monkey is the shit, so I don't want to tear it down and finish it, because in order to like fully finish this project, I need to tear it down to the frame. I'm gonna redo some things, and I'm gonna do an extra little project today, mostly for Trent's bike, and maybe if you guys can bug Stealth enough, another stealth pipe design by me for the monkey. The other one that I built for this already, if you haven't seen that, it's in our monkey business playlist. I built a custom exhaust for this. It's at Stealth right now in manufacturing. They're putting that together, so they sent me a Grom pipe to run until I get that one, which doesn't really fit, but I'm gonna make it fit. And I was looking at it, I was like, man, this looks kind of dope. I kind of want to shorten it and make something like underneath the bike and short, a different version, because mine comes up high. I'm gonna make one down low. I also want to fire this guy up and see what I haven't heard one of their Grom pipes yet. I want to see if it's the muffler that makes my pipe sound so good, or the triple stepped head pipe that I built that makes it sound so good. This has a small head pipe. I'm thinking it's gonna be a little more pitchy, a little more loud and cackly. Mine's like a whoop, nasty, sounds nasty. My bike's also tuned, got an intake, all that good shit, and she's got Ohlins. We don't know about this bike. It's got Ohlins front and rear, which all this stuff is on our website, KRUESIoriginals.com. This Ohlins kit, it's cheap. I think it's cheap because I'm used to buying Harley shit, so buying something for a monkey compared to Harley Ohlins is like 200 and some bucks for the front cartridges. The front end made the biggest difference. It raised the bike an inch, and then I went an inch higher in the back with Ohlins in the rear, and it is just like, it rides like a big bike. It feels like a big bike, but it's mini capabilities. It is amazing. So much fun. We're gonna pull Trent's up here, and we're gonna start tearing into it. It's monkey time. I know what I have. You ain't got shit for oil in this thing either. Have you checked the oil in this?
Not in a while.
It's on just about negative. You're about, I don't know how much oil it takes. A cup low. You know, there's a company out here. Will you find them for me? They make them a cover like the matching one over there that goes on this side, paint match and everything. What do you guys think it's going to sound like? I think with that small head pipe, I think it's going to be loud and cackly. Where's your keys, Trent? In it.
In it, I think.
But I guess we'll see how good that muffler is, or we'll see how good my stepped head pipe is on the version I built. Quieter than I thought it would be. It needs to be tuned so that cackle would go away. tighten the muffler. I just saw that sliding up and down. And I just made it nice and hot for myself to work on now. That's awesome. On that note, I think I'm gonna take a lunch break. But it doesn't sound bad. It doesn't sound as good as the stepped head pipe by any means, but I swear to God I'm gonna fire Matt if he coughs anymore while I'm filming a YouTube video too. Sick and tired of every goddamn YouTube video Matt coughing nonstop to the mother. I'm gonna cut this thing. I'm gonna set the exhaust up. I'm just gonna try and mount it off of something right here and hang it, and then I'm gonna build a head pipe to it. Single non-stepped head pipe. I think it'll be a lot cheaper to manufacture, so it'll be a cheaper version of a KRUESI style exhaust from Stealth for a monkey. Because this one's gonna be triple stepped and quite intricate. It makes good power though, and it sounds phenomenal. But that one's probably gonna be on the expensive side of monkey exhaust, if I had to guess. I'm gonna hang this thing up and start hacking. Truth be told, I totally guessed on this hole right here, so let's hope she goes where she should be. I got a pretty good guessing eye though. I used my guessing eye. Tell her you miss her whispering eye. I miss your whispering eye. What does that mean? Vagina.
That's a great movie.
Oh man, definitely one of the greats. This like stepped and then stepped big right here, but short pipe, probably better to have a smaller head pipe to give you a little more back pressure. That looks high, tight. That looks sick. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna pull this off. I gotta get this nice and flush. Pretty happy with that. That is a dope ass monkey pipe right there. Dude. Did you already order that side cover?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should order a red one too. I'll hook this battery back up and we'll fire this hog up and see how she sounds. Sounds like wild thunder and stallions clapping their running hooves. They do running shit somewhere. It's not nice outside. Sounds pretty good. It's gonna definitely need a tune, but sounds pretty good so far. Right around the parking lot a little bit, let it heat up. Man, it is cold out here. Sounds good. Now I'm going to go inside and tell Trent what he needs to fix on his motorcycle. Look at that thing. Oh, she's going to turn a nice gold. I'll let her cool down and then heat cycle it again. Oh, it'll be beautiful. Piece of jewelry. Yeah. On that note, I built another monkey pipe. You guys should just bang on Stealth's door a bunch and go, hey, you should build version 2 as well as version 1, because this one's pretty dope. There's a company out there that makes a side cover that matches the other cover, says monkey and all that shit on it. Their paint, you can get the paint matched everything. They're like 120 bucks or something, 190 bucks maybe, but we got a red one on the way for this one and a blue one on the way for mine. I don't know if mine's gonna work with that side cover, but we gonna find out. I really like that pipe. I like the way that one looks. I think mine sounds better. That one sounds good, but mine sounds nasty. Mine's also tuned also. This one needs a tune. Well, I'm Ryan KRUESI. It's KRUESI Originals. Remember, go check out our Patreon. We got a new podcast coming up sort of regularly, once in a while. But every $5 enters you in a chance to win a Saddleman seat of your choice. Custom, all that stuff. And we'll be pulling that drawing around Valentine's Day. Stay posted. Once that's done, we give away more stuff. We just give away stuff pretty much every 2 months. We pick a new thing, give it away every month to 2 months, maybe 2 weeks, depends on how big the product is and how much we want to run it, and it's good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. KRUESIOriginals.com. All of this stuff is available there. Everything you need in life is available there. Peace.